everybody to come back. I've thought about Katrina several times during this and thought they lost so many people who never came back. But we want our people to come back because we're going to rebuild with those people. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to happen tomorrow and this time next year. If we do an anniversary presentation, we're not going to be ready then probably up like we are today. But I can swear to you that the city of Mayfield will survive this. That's the type of people we are, and we will survive. Our infrastructure is our greatest need at this time. You know, we lost a water tower. So our water pressure, if a fire broke out in the city limits today, we can't fight it. We don't have the water to do that.
We're going to be continuing debris removal. The crane that you see behind me that's still actively working has been able to remove a ton, no pun intended, tons of steel out there to get it checked for any person that still may be in the building. Again, we're continuing search and rescue operations, until the site's going to be cleaned up.